After the super swirl, now is mega game. Please, more jackpots. Oh my gosh, mega game. Can you make a jackpot? Ma! Jackpot! Wow! Ma! Ma! Jackpot! Dito ka na, ma! Oh my gosh! Jackpot! Dito ka lang! Dito ka lang! More please!
Bibilangin na yun.
More. I want more. Can you make more jackpot, please? 25. Look at that. Coming out chickens. How much love jackpot? After this, you gotta go to the super swirl. 4. I want more jackpot. Oh no, they bounced me. Please more, can you make more on the mega game? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Jackpot again! No way! Oh my gosh! 2 jackpots again for the Christmas season. This is never ever get jackpot forever. Unbelievable! Wow! Look at that! More jackpots, please. Oh my gosh! Mega game again. Can you make jackpots again? No! Almost. I want to go back to the super swirl after this. 2 jackpots around. But I want more. 8. Can you make more jackpots? Mamaya papalit pa ako na 1K.
1K? Tama na yun.
Papalit pa ako, baliw. No! Oh my gosh. Look at that! Yan, 3 jackpots around. Wow! Nagpapalag ako dito ah. Oh my gosh, jackpots again. 50. Papalit pa ako ng 1K para sa barya. Oh my gosh, 3 jackpots around over there. Oh my gosh! Not again! Oh my gosh! More jackpots around! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Happy Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat! Oh my gosh! 3 free ball! I want to back on the super sword. Oh my gosh! Yes, finally. I want more. Oh my gosh. More jackpots from the vlog.
Anak ko yan, anak ko. Napalit na yung marami.
Bonus! 50. Oh my gosh. Look at that, so many tickets. This token's for me, not for Mapa. Please. Bonus na naman. 50 tickets.
Ilan yung bonus?
50. We gotta back to the super strip for many jackpots. This is the last of mega game. I want 10. Four. I want more. My elbow. Please more. Ay, muntik na. Ano? Please more. Oh my gosh. Yes! Oh my gosh! Jackpot again on the North EDSA. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Please, I want more. Oh my gosh. 6. I don't want you gotta stop right there. I want mega game. There's 4 credits left. I have so many jackpots. I want more. Oh my gosh. Not again. Wow. Not again. Jackpots on the wall. This is can be excellent for this Christmas season. Oh my gosh. I think 7. This is the last for high five. Oh my gosh. Can you make that mega game?
Huwag na doon. Naglalaro dyan, oh.
4. Please. Oh my gosh, muntik na. 20. Can you make more jackpots for these tokens? Look at that. I have so many. 3. Can you make more? Oh my gosh. Again? Oh my gosh. How can I believe it? I get more jackpots for this mega freaking game on the magic tickets. I can't believe it. I got a jackpot again. Wow. Okay, that's enough. Oh my gosh. I have so many tickets again for that jackpot.